Hey folks, sorry about the noise, but we are a working shop. I just want to do a quick video on installing the Quark Tailstand Cap. In theory, this thing is going to be backwards compatible with all Quarks ever made, sort of subject to machining tolerances. So far, I have not had a Quark where this wouldn't fit onto it. So there are basically two little tabs on either side that fit into the slot in the Quark. So you just line up the tab on one side and then just push down and it snaps into place. It does fit very tight, which is intentional. I can't pull it out by hand, which is also intentional. We didn't want these things falling off. The way you remove it is just with a flat bladed screwdriver, and you just insert it into the slot and push that little tab back. I've found just pushing straight in works pretty well. You might want to rock it a little bit. Main thing is you don't want to twist it up and damage the light or the little tab that's molded in there. So just insert that. Just push in, it separates a little bit, and you just pop it out the rest of the way. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Easy peasy. And now my Quark tail stands. Yeah, see, it still rocks a little bit. We got to fix the mold, but should be good to go.